Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. So today we have a new feature product. It's a new Ryobi chainsaw. I've not seen any reviews for this yet on YouTube, so stick around to the end because you're going to see everything about this bad boy. Let's hit that intro. Alright, let's open this up. I've been dying to check this out. So, I know you're thinking, oh, it's just a 40-volt chainsaw. Well, Ryobi recently revamped the line, and it's totally different. Don't you love this packaging? Look, it comes like that with the chain sticking out of it. Excuse me. It comes like that with the bar sticking out of it. That's it. Time. That's it. So in the box comes with the chainsaw itself, the scabbard, the bar and the chain are already on it. Comes fully assembled. Oh, I like that. See, they went with the bolts. I hate the quick release. Comes with charger. It's kind of cheap because it kind of slides right on the top there. Directions. Oh, it doesn't come with any oil. Well, I have oil. Directions. And which I thought makes it worth buying it is that it comes with the battery. Now the old Ryobi 40 volt comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery. This is a 4 amp hour 40 volt battery. Check that bad boy out. Check that bad boy out. Oh, that's 40 volt goodness. Thing is humongous. Does it have any power in it? 1 bar. I'm going to plug this bad boy in real quick. Alright, now it's all unboxed. You can see what comes with it. You got the saw, you get the 4 amp hour battery, you get this portable charger, which I'm not too keen about. It's kind of chintzy. And I timed it to see how long it would take to charge this after we drained it. 2 hours. Comes with a nice plastic scabbard. Fits on there pretty nice. Let's weigh it up. Bare tool. See how much it weighs. It says too much. This is too sensitive. Well, I can tell you how much the battery weighs. 1.4 pounds. Now, I just feel oh my god, I can't talk. I want to be the first one to bring you guys this new 40 volt chainsaw. I have not seen any other reviews on this on YouTube, except for today. Ryobi did post their 2-minute video of this, but there's no other creators that have posted about this video, so let's get into it and cover a few things compared to the old one. Alright, first, the battery compartment's different. It's no longer loaded in the top, it's loaded from the side. 2, the oil reservoir is on the top here versus stuck out the side before. What I love, that Ryobi did get right, they put bolts to hold the bar in place and not that stupid quick lock. I hate the quick lock. I know several people who have twisted theirs off their Dewalt and it snapped right off. What else? Oh, on the bottom. Comes with the cool little keyhole. You can hang it on the wall. Comes with your little onboard storage wrench or squinch, whatever you guys call it. That pops off pretty easily. And that you can use to adjust the chain tension as well as taking the bolts off. Now we're not going to completely disassemble this. I just want to do a quick unboxing, get it out to you guys, show you, let you take a peek at it. And then next week I'm going to do a full in-depth video, this versus the Dewalt 20 volt one. What I thought was funny about Milwaukee's chainsaw is that Milwaukee's just clutching onto that 18 volt name, because did you know that Milwaukee owns the rights to 18 volt lithium-ion batteries? So any other company that says they have an 18 volt lithium-ion battery, they have to pay royalties to Milwaukee, which I thought was quite interesting. So that's why Dewalt went with 20 volt max. Cobalt went with 22 or 24 volt max, because they want to pay those royalties. Ryobi's got 40. Only Milwaukee is just clutching on the strings like, oh, our chainsaw's 18 volt, and the battery's this big, you know. Which, I'm not really knocking Milwaukee, because I really want to try that chainsaw. But it's like $500. And who the hell's got $500 laying around to try out a chainsaw? This bare tool is $150, same as the Dewalt. It does come with the big 4 amp hour battery, compared to the other one, which comes with the 1.5 amp hour battery. So far, what I've used, I'm very impressed with this. It is brushless. It's a little tiny bit loud, but not too bad. I do like how the handles change versus Gens 2 and Gen 1. Gen 1, 40 volt, the battery loads on the top like this, and then Gen 2, it loads in it like that. So that's quite different. The handle's different. Got a nice trigger lock on top there. What else? I do like the 14-inch blade over the 12. Very nice. I don't know if it says what it is. I'm pretty sure it's a... Alright, I have a big old stump over here. I think it's about 12 inches. We're going to load it up into the jaw horse. Take a couple cuts just to show you guys real quick what you can do. And, yeah. Do a nice quick little video unboxing of this chainsaw for you. You saw it here first on making stuff and breaking stuff. Let's go to that footage. Alright, this bad boy is... She's 15.5 inches. So let's see if it can cut it. Well, there you go, kids. Don't saw through huge logs that are not secured down, because that could have went bad real quick. But it cut through most of it. Let's check it out. All right, there you go. It cut through most of it. As you can see here, this is solid oak, and it's still a little frozen, not completely unthawed. So that's part of the reason why it had such a hard time. But the cut marks, pretty good. You know, it's not bad. I'm going to put the timer on that so you can see exactly how long it took, and it used up about half the battery. All the carnage. and it is not super warm out. It's, I think, 35 degrees, so you know the cold always affects the batteries too. Alright, so let's listen to the rev up speed of these brushless motors. Some of them are really fast, they go vroom, other ones go vroom. Now listen to the Ryobis. Okay, let's count it. Let's get about a 3-second rev up. Let's listen to the Dewalt. See, that's almost instant, but yet it's not as fast as the Ryobi, so listen. It takes about 1 second to get up to speed, where the Ryobi, that's almost like 4 seconds. Let's do a couple cuts here real quick. Stalled it out. Now that was the first time I've stalled this out of all the cutting I've done on this. I mean, granted, I've only done 2 charge cycles on the battery, but pretty interesting. Now, let's compare the Dewalt. See right there, I just tried to stall this out and put all my weight on it and it wouldn't stall out. Let's try it again. See, this one's small and compact. You can use it one-handed, but you wouldn't want to get a kickback with one hand. All right, let's try the Ryobi one more time. All right, everyone, I hope you liked that little quick video of the new Ryobi 40-volt chainsaw. You saw it here first. I'm making stuff and breaking stuff, where you get all the great tool videos. So check back every day or so for new and updated tool videos. Stay tuned for a full in-depth comparison of these two coming up in the next couple weeks. I'm also going to try to get my hands on the new Milwaukee if I can. Maybe throw in whatever else I can get my hands on. We're going to compare them here. New Ryobi 40-volt brushless 14-inch chainsaw. Went through that stump pretty well, that frozen oak stump, I should say. Alright guys, it's getting late. Gotta go make dinner. Thank you everyone for putting your comments in on the giveaway video. Alright Randy, I'll get that sawzall out to you here in the next couple days. Everyone, till next time, have a blessed day. See ya!